Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 39, effective until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: Atascosa, Bandera, Bexar, Comal, Guadalupe, Kendall, Medina, and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Lows in the mid-60s. Snow clears 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Wednesday, cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the morning. Showers. The National Weather Service has issued severe
What? This one's on display. You kidding me?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 39, effective at Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: Caldwell, Comal, Guadalupe, and Hayes. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
His art teacher wanted you to see his wall.
The current time is 7:04 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Okay.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 39, effective until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: Caldwell, Comal, Guadalupe, and Hayes. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Oops.
And listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to
I better
NOAA
turn this
Weather
one
Radio,
down.
commercial radio and television
This is
outlets,
gonna be really
or internet
loud.
sources for the latest severe weather information.
That's the second watch of the day.
The NOAA Weather Radio Roundup. At 6 p.m. at Gonzales, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 77. The dew point 69. The relative humidity was 77%. The wind southeast at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 18. And the pressure was 29.6.
Okay. I wonder why this one, yeah, it was on display. I wish I would have had it on voice. I really like the tone on that one. But at least, that's the second severe thunderstorm watch on this, and so, yeah, I'm SPC Cibolo, and I'll see you guys later. First alert on here, too. Yeah, the zone guard's on. So this is on 2 channels. They're likely going to issue a tornado watch for this. Something's wrong with my storm glass. There's no crystals at the top. Finally got a real one off of this baby. Finally got one that actually came on that one. I really wish that one was on voice. I feel stupid now for forgetting that was on display. This was on display too. Alright, I had the alert thing off. Yeah, shoot. I need a 2, 3, 4, okay. Alert on. So, yeah, I'm gonna turn this one on.
Monday night.
So, yeah. That's gonna be on alert mode. I'm sitting downstairs eating ramen, and then I hear my Accurite with the tones, and then the alert starts.